There are pumpkin patch with different sizes and shapes of pumpkins. Every year, pumpkin growers around the world compete to see who can grow the biggest and heaviest pumpkin. In October 2016, Matthias Willemijn from Belgium grew the world's largest pumpkin, weighing over 2,600 pounds. Growing giant pumpkins requires a lot of hard work and dedication. It's a year-long process that starts with selecting the right seeds. Then pumpkin seeds being sorted. Giant pumpkin seeds are carefully selected for their genetics, size, and shape. The plants require a lot of water, sunlight, and nutrients to grow to their full potential. Then pumpkin being lifted onto a truck. Moving giant pumpkins requires heavy machinery and a lot of manpower. Pumpkin growers from around the world come together to compete in giant pumpkin contests. The winner is determined by the weight of the pumpkin, with the heaviest one taking home the prize. While growing giant pumpkins may be a challenge, it's also a fun and rewarding hobby for those who are passionate about it. Dear viewer, kindly share your own pumpkin growing experiences in the comments section and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and informative videos.